welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Alright, so here's the deal with Vlogmas, you guys. I cannot promise you a video every single day, but I can promise you a couple videos a week that are, in fact, holiday, somewhat Christmas related. I'm gonna try and do this in every single day. I'm gonna try my best, you guys. Bear with me. I don't know if I can. I just want to make that disclaimer really quickly. But today's video is going to be a Christmas haul. I figured we'd start off with a bang and I'd show you guys my holiday decorations that are for my tree specifically. So I have not purchased everything that I want. I have some things that I'm still looking for, so this will gradually happen over the next couple of days, probably a week or so. I like to have my tree done way before Christmas. I would have had it done last week, but unfortunately, you guys, I don't have everything that I want to put on my tree, but I do have somewhat of a theme that I have going on, so I have picked up a few things that pretty much are going to be what my tree is going to look like. I usually this time of year, like in November, I start to go on Pinterest and I start looking up ideas and kind of just like, what am I feeling like this year? Do I want to have something like super girly or something traditional? I'm going to start off with like the fun, pretty ornaments first, and then we'll get into the traditional ornaments that I have sitting back here. So this little tree is from Walmart behind me. If you guys want to know, that's where I got it from. We're going to start off with these type of ornaments. So tell me this isn't like the prettiest ornament ever, you guys. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty and so gold and so girly, and it's a butterfly, and it just screams Mariah Carey to me. It really does. Look at all the detail. It's so gold and gaudy like me. I'm a very gaudy person. If you follow me, you know this. So I got this from Walmart. All of my decorations, you guys, are from Walmart minus 2 decorations. These are from Walmart. I'm obviously going for that glittery glam gold, pink, silver, and white look. Yeah, obviously, right? So this is one of the ornaments that I picked up. I love that it's so big. I love anything just big and gold and flashy. So this is definitely going on my tree. When I saw it, I was like, oh, and I was sad that there was only one, but I will go to different Walmarts and find more of these at some point. I was kind of just like gathering what I saw at the moment, and I picked up this. So this is one of them. Here's another fun one. So there's this one. I just thought this was really fun. I don't even really know what it is, but it's very Harry Potter, if that makes sense. Like, it just reminded me of Harry Potter. I don't know why, but it's very gold and pink, and gold and pink are kind of what I'm going for this year. This is more of a, yeah, it's like a pinkish purple. So I thought this was super cute. This, to me, would go on like the top of your tree. I got that at Walmart, if you guys are wondering. I don't know if I said that. So this one is also from Walmart. This one is super gold as well. It's kind of bent a little because I sort of already had it on my tree. I haven't decorated my tree yet, you guys. I'm going to do a decorate my tree with me video at some point throughout this Vlogmas situation. You guys are going to actually see me do this. You're going to see it in action. So stay tuned. But here is, look, this covers up my whole face. This is just ridiculously gaudy, you guys. I'm so gaudy. Anyway, so this is a gold flower. I have to find more of these. I am determined. There was only one at the Walmart that I was at, and I was super bummed because I feel like I just want to put these everywhere, all over my tree, because again, I'm super gaudy. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I'm sure you guys get the point by now. The next one is this white one. It's very similar to the gold, except for it's just not as pretty. The material is obviously different, but it's still a white flower. I'm going to finagle it a little bit so that it looks better. Once I get it on the tree, I can kind of do what I need to do. You can, it has a lot of glitter. Glitter is like falling all over me right now. But yeah, you can do like stuff to these, you guys, if you feel like you can kind of manipulate them to look how you want them to look on your tree. So I thought this was really pretty as well. I definitely want to keep the white theme going. Here's another one. I just thought this was so pretty. This is very princessy. I don't know. It was just reminding me of a princess, so I thought I would grab it. It's really cute. It has like this pink little stone in the middle with the feathers and the gold shimmery stuff on the back. Like, it was just really girly. It goes with my theme. Love it. Again, Walmart, you guys. Another one that I'm obsessed with is this silver. This is just so pretty to me. Look at this. It's just gorgeous. It just reminded me of like a flowery snowflake. I don't know, it's just so pretty. So I definitely wanted to grab something like this. We're gonna have gold and silver flowers. Oh, I don't know if I told you guys, but they have these clips on the back, and that is how you keep them on the tree. So they do stay on. I just thought this was so pretty. Unfortunately, you guys, I have all this stuff on the floor instead of like on a table or something. But here's the other one. I thought this one was even prettier. Look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Guys, like, I'm obsessed. So the reason why I really wanted to show this stuff to you guys is because I think a lot of people sleep on Walmart for things. Like, Walmart has some of the best things there, and they're so affordable. I know a lot of people avoid Walmart and they kind of choose Target over Walmart because Target just seems more, I don't know, upscale in that world. I guess that's the more upscale one. But personally, I love Walmart just because Walmart is so affordable, and the one by my house isn't too bad. Like, I love it. I'm there all the time. I buy clothes from Walmart, like just t-shirts and like tights and stuff like that, like lounge stuff. Walmart is my go-to store. Target isn't as close to me, so I'm not quick to run there. So a lot of these ornaments I got at Walmart. This one doesn't have anything to hold it, so I don't know. I guess I'm just gonna have to stick it in the tree. I don't know, maybe I can glue a clip onto it or something, but I just grabbed it because I thought it was super cute. It's just a little tree branch situation here with a little makeshift bulb bell on it, and it's gold and glittery. Like I said, we're doing a lot of gold, silvers, and pinks, so this was something else I grabbed at Walmart. Oh, you know, I have not told you guys how much this stuff costs. This was only 90 or 89, 98 cents. The bigger flowery ones were $1.59. Let me see, 49, I think $1.49. Let's see. So the bigger, yeah, these are actually, I lied. These are $2.98. So these are $2.98. These really big flowers. This one was 98 cents. I should have told you guys this, my bad. And these, I think these ones are $1.48. So these little squiggly, really, you're gonna get stuck right now. These were $1.48. These I'm gonna just put all around like the outskirts of the tree. I love these little celebration, I guess it's like ribbon, but it's hard. It's not like soft ribbon, and they have wire in them, and they're glittery. I just thought they were really pretty. So I have a pink one and a white one. There weren't very many of these lying around, unfortunately. Last year I had a ton. Again, my stuff got thrown out, so I could only find 2 of these, so I'm definitely gonna look for more of these as well. Then the last 2 like gaudy ornaments I got were these. This one is $1.48 also. Again, this will probably just go up top with the other one that looks similar to this. I just thought this was really cute as well. And then the girly one again, I just wanted to show it to you guys because it's $1.48. I bought 2 of these. So those are all of my like big fun gaudy ornaments that are gonna go around my tree. And then we're gonna get into the snowflakes now. So these are the snowflakes. I just thought these were so pretty. I got these at Target, believe it or not. See, this is what I expect to see at Target. I just feel like Target would have like really pretty gaudy stuff as well. So I got this silver one. I mean, it came 3 in a pack, so there's 3 of these, and they retailed for $3. So I got these sort of rose gold pinkish ones as well, and these silver ones. They're 2 different colors. These ones are in the pack. I've only taken out the silver ones because I just kind of wanted to see what they looked like on the tree. So I got those. Next I have these pine cones. These are also like a rose goldish pinkish color. They look like this. So they're very true to the theme that I have going on. Let's do a close-up. Come on, focus. It doesn't want to focus, you guys, so we'll just do it from far away. But yeah, so this is the pine cone. My tree already has pine cones sort of made in it, but they aren't like pretty, so I wanted some like pretty pine cones, and I felt like these just went with my theme perfectly. These retail for $3 at Target as well. So let's get into these bulbs. So I'm gonna grab these. These are pink and gold bulbs. We're gonna be adding these to the tree as well. I love them. They have like the glitter bulbs in here, and then these ones have like this really cool detail, and they are shatterproof ornaments, so they don't break apparently when they fall off the tree. So I thought these were really cool. I had them in tons of other colors, but we're gonna do this theme this year, so these are the colors that I'm going with. And then I also just grabbed these from Walmart as well. For $4.98 you get 18. They're not exactly the same as the other ones. See, these ones have like the gold glittery ones, and then these have this detail, and then we have some with like some triangular detail on them. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That's basically everything that I got from Walmart and Target for my Christmas tree decorations haul. There's one thing I forgot to show y'all though. I am gonna do this iridescent ribbon. So I've been seeing a lot of people do this ribbon on their like trees, and what they do is they basically cut it. This is like a white iridescent ribbon. From far away it has like a pink shimmer to it, I feel like. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but we're going to be adding this to my tree as well at some point. So yeah, I wanted to make sure I had ribbon. This one was $7.98, and it is a 12-foot decorative fabric, and it's 18 by 12 feet. So yeah, I feel like this will be perfect. I only need one of these. I thought, like, do I need more? I'm not wrapping it around the tree in the traditional way that everybody seems to do it. I'm going to be like bunching it in sections on the tree. I will show you guys, but I definitely wanted to just do a really quick haul video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the items that I purchased, I will try and link. Can you link Christmas items? I don't know if you can link Christmas items. I don't know, you guys, but I will definitely sort of write out what I got underneath. Well, actually, you can't. Just watch this video, you guys. I don't think you can link what I got because they're Christmas decorations. So just go to Walmart or Target and see if you can find them. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.